Check it out, y'all. Y'all check it out. My breakfast goulash. With the potatoes and the bacon and the jalapenos and the egg and the cheese. Y'all tell me how you love that. Yeah. Cast iron skillet, heat it up, throw you in some butter. Get that melted, yeah. That butter melted like that, and throw down you some good old sliced potatoes. Today I'm using canned because I'm in a hurry. Yeah. Once you get them all tossed around in that butter like that, then rain on them with a little salt. Yeah. With a little red pepper flake. You already know. Throw some of that nice old bacon and your air fry on the side. Yeah. 2 eggs. Crack them on top of the potatoes. Scramble them in. Some of these good old Louisiana jalapenos down there. Just like so. Stir them in good, yeah. Now take that bacon what you had and break it up, small pieces like that. Dump it in, stir it good. Now the only thing left is the cheese, yeah. So get you some of that good old sharp cheddar or whatever cheese you prefer. In my case, it's sharp cheddar. You're gonna throw you some of that down in there. And at this point, you gonna turn that fire off. Let the cheese melt from the residual heat, and you got your good breakfast goulash. Get it. Now y'all try it. If you get down in the comment section, tell me how I did. Be heard on the check, guys. Yeah.